We will see today how to install, download first and install the SAP GUI. So if you don't have SAP GUI yet, and for example, if you don't have SAP Server Access, you can purchase one from ERP-quick-access.com. Just an example. Here on their download section, you can have access to SAP GUI 760 for Windows, SAP GUI 740 for Mac, and you even have an installation guide. As I purchased a subscription, they sent me a link to download SAP GUI 780. So let's install it now. It was 780 megabytes, so it's quite a big software and a big download, but I have it now. So once you have it, all you have to do is open the zip file, go inside the folder, then go to press 1, go to GUI, Graphical User Interface, Windows, because I'm on Windows, Win64, because I am again on a Windows 64 system, but if you have another system, you might use another one. And here use the setup all option. So of course, first we have to extract everything. So let them extract everything in my download folder. So this might take a little time. So after unzipping, it will be 1.5 gigabyte. So this operation, of course, will take a while depending on your system settings. But again, if you don't have SAP yet, you can easily download it. And again, you can also easily get a SAP server access online for quite an affordable price. There are several ways to get a SAP server access. You can have a shared server access, meaning you will not be the only one on the server. You can buy private server access, meaning it will be your own server where you can really put your own company data and you don't have to be afraid of someone else seeing your data and eventually using your data on a shared server. However, the data is shared and everyone else has the same access as you to the same data. So it's quite different. Okay, let's see. It is again unzipping. Unzipping might take some time. Meanwhile, if you want to get trained in SAP, check the link in the description. We have a wide offering of trainings. I personally created some of them. Okay, now the unzipping is nearly finished, and we should be able to start with installation. Here we go. Once the file is downloaded and unzipped, you can then open it, go to press 1, GUI, Windows, select your system, here Windows 64, and run the setup all.x. And it will start the installer, blah, blah, a reboot is pending. So here we can see that just I cannot install it because I have SAP GUI for Windows 32. So, okay, let's go back and install for Win32. It's the same. I have an older version. I have this version 750 already installed, and this is version 780. Okay, now I can choose it. I can add some packages, but I don't really need anything. So for now, let's just continue. Wait a little, but everything is being installed. It should be fast. Here we go. It's installing, you see the front end, so the GUI, the graphical user interface on my computer. It's pretty fast. The longer part of this whole process was probably to unzip the huge file. Now it's getting. Here we go. The installation is getting to an end. Now it has been installed. Of course, they tell me that I need to reboot. Let's close it, and instead, let's just launch our shortcut. And here I am on the final release 800, and here we go. We have the SAP logon installed. Now, that's all for this video of how to install the SAP GUI, and in the next video, we'll see how to connect to a SAP server.